nothing in the wood. It's light.
Anything wrong with it? Not too cold to be standing around the dark.
There. Look, in the sky.
Oh, that's beautiful.
All gone. Commonly known as a meteorite. It's just rocks falling to the ground, that's all.
Came down in the woods.
No. They always look close when actually they're miles off. Nothing left but a cinder. Now, I should escort you back to the school. Ladies?
No, we're fine, thanks.
Then I shall bid you good night.
Jenny, where was that? On the horizon where the light was headed.
That's by Cooper's Field.
You can't just run off. It's dark, you'll break a leg.
I said hello. Was that some kind of aeroplane? You chaps all right?